I got tired of multiple toolboxes, multiple tool bags, piles of tools, digging for tools, taking out more tools than I needed, etc., etc. So I created myself let's call it a scooter tinkering tool bag. I'm going to show you everything I keep in it. This is 99% of the tools that are necessary to do just about anything to my scooter, which happens to be a 139 QMB 50cc platform Chinese scooter. VIP to be exact is what I typically work on, but I work on a lot of other stuff too. Okay, let's start. Let's take stuff out of the bag one at a time. Right here we have torque wrench with several different adapters. Gotta have a torque wrench. And then we have this bag of goodies, which contains multimeter, tools for putting a plug in if you have a hole in your tire, feeler gauge for doing your valves, tools for doing your valves if you so choose, bushing puller, and a flywheel puller. You'll need that if you want to get at your stator. That's everything in that bag. Put it back in. Nice to do this because it's nice to know where pretty much every tool you could possibly need is going to reside. All right, digging deeper into the bag, let's see, we got sockets. We've got several different adapters, a 1/2-inch socket and a 12 millimeter. Socket wrench, another socket wrench. We've got some that fell off. There's an 11/16 that should go on here. I plan to upgrade this kit eventually to a point where everything has a little bit more of a home, so to speak, but on here is 8. There should be a 10, 12, 14, 17, and a 5/8 spark plug socket. This here is a 21 millimeter and an 18 millimeter. Of course, the 10 millimeter socket disappeared. It's in that bag somewhere, I guarantee. Got a pair of channel locks, wire cutters, wire strippers, wire crimpers, etc. Needle nose pliers with a pair of snips built into them. Electrical tape, small flathead, Allen keys, Phillips screwdriver, a Sharpie, very tiny Phillips screwdriver. I use this to remove the screw inside the top of the carburetor to get at the needle. Another screwdriver that has multiple bits inside of it. Of course, we have our impact with 2 different adapters. small pair of vice grips. There's that elusive 10 millimeter. Let's go ahead and set it over there. Told you it was in there. We got an 8 millimeter, a 10 millimeter, dual-ended 12 and 14, and 9/16 and 1/2 dual. Let's see if we got anything else in there. Well, that would be it. So that is everything that I keep in this bag, and I can do 99.9% of the work that ever needs to be done to my scooter. Another thing that I also keep in there is a small hammer. It's just a small guy. That's for if you need to get violent, but not too violent. This is your tool. That is all.